Hi, this is Wei from Red House Kitchen. Today we're making jianbing, a popular Chinese breakfast known as Chinese crepe. Before showing you how to make it at home, let's have a look at how it's made at street stands in China. I took these two videos when I was on my culinary tours of China with my blog readers. Jianbing is uniquely sold at street stalls and freshly made in front of the customers. People often eat it in the morning on the way to work or school. As you can see, there are quite a few different things packed in. A thin crepe, an egg, chopped scallions, 2 types of sauce, and some crispy crackers. Sometimes they add a little coriander and lettuce leaves. It's a humble street food, but full of flavors. Now let me show you how to make tasty jianbing in your own kitchen. I use ready-made wonton wrappers to make the crispy crackers. Firstly, brush a little water over one piece. Put another one on top. Then press to ensure they stick to each other tightly. Cut 2 lines with a knife. For each crepe, you would need 2 pairs of wrappers. Now, deep fry them in cooking oil. The temperature should reach 180 degrees Celsius or 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a small saucepan if available. This way you don't have to use too much oil. You can keep these crackers in a container for up to 4 days. Next step, prepare the batter for the crepes. 2 parts of all-purpose flour, 1 part of wholemeal flour, and 5 parts of water. The traditional recipe calls for a mixture of white flour and mung bean flour. I use wholemeal instead, as it's much more accessible and it tastes great. Now everything is well combined, we're ready to make the crepes. Pour in when your pan is warm to touch but not burning hot, otherwise the batter will become solid and won't flow. A non-stick pan works very well, and you don't need any oil. Keep the heat at medium-low. When there is no runny batter left, crack an egg on top. Use the back of a spoon to spread around. Add some black sesame seeds and chopped scallions for extra flavor and a great look. When the crepe becomes firm and slides easily in the pan, you're ready to flip it over. Use a lid to help. This way you can guarantee there is no sticking or tearing. You can turn off the heat now. Finally, let's assemble the jianbing. Brush some soybean paste and some chili garlic sauce if you like it spicy. You can use other condiments too. I've listed a few alternatives in my blog post with their Chinese and English names. Check it out if you're interested. Coriander and lettuce leaves are optional, so please feel free to skip it if you wish. Put 2 pieces of crispy crackers on top. Wrap them up. You can see that the remaining heat of the pan has firmed up the egg. Fold it halfway, and it's done. Now let's cut it open to see the layers. It's a great mixture of flavors and textures. Hope you've enjoyed my video. You can find the written recipe on my blog. The link is in the description below. Until the next video, have a lovely time in your kitchen.